In this video, we're going to take a look at Squarespace's brand new course functionality. I've been hosting my courses on Podia for the past few years, and I'm really excited to try this out because it means I'll be able to move my courses over onto Squarespace and host everything all in the same space. So let's take a look here. If we go to new course, there are two template options to start with, and this is the course overview page. So it doesn't really matter which one you pick because you can delete the additional sections if you need to. So let's give our course a name, and let's say start a course. All right, keep it real simple. And now here on my left hand navigation, we can see I can create a pricing plan. I can edit the course overview page that we just selected. And then I can edit our course content. So let's start with the pricing and let's create a plan here. And our course name is already specified. We can add a description here. We can add a bunch of benefits. Awesome. And set our pricing. So we can add a payment option, right? We can add subscription, or we can make our course available for free. And if we had other course products that we had already created, then we could add those as well. So we could potentially, I guess, bundle multiple courses under one pricing plan. And then finally, enrollment dates. That's something that we could add as well if we wanted to do that. So let's create this free plan. And just for the heck of it, let's see if we can create another one. And yeah, I guess we could. All right, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so now we have a paywall page. So for anyone who stumbles on the course but hasn't joined or paid, this is what they would see. And now let's check out our course content. So the very first question that I had was, when I'm adding a lesson, by default, there's a video that I can add. So let's say lesson 3, all text. Right, so by default, I can add a video here. With my plan, I have up to 30 minutes of video that I can add. But I don't want to add a video for this particular lesson. I want to have a text-based or some type of different content. So what I'll do instead is I'll just edit this like I would any other page. So what's that? I didn't notice this. Some new sections to help sell your digital products. So anyway, let's just quickly add a section here for this lesson. So here we'd put the lesson title, and we can add multiple sections. We can get really into it. And what's cool about this to me is I can use this not just for a course, but for any type of like sequential or interactive media that I want someone to be able to like progress through and keep track of. When my very first Squarespace site for myself, I had this digital, what did I call it? Digital film experience where you would move through Act 1, Act 2, and you'd watch these different videos, but it was all kind of hacked together manually. With this, I'll be able to return to the very first project that I started with and finally finish that off, which I'm pretty excited about. So moral of the story here is very simple, easy to use, and flexible. And unlike your other course building platforms, like you get the benefit of Squarespace's layout editor or fluid engine, whatever it's called right now. But you get the benefit of just a really flexible thing. So I'm excited to see the courses that are built now on Squarespace, and if I were building an online course now, and my website is on Squarespace, I'm just doing it all together. So save yourself, an extra tool, and I'll build it into Squarespace. Now, I should mention that there is some price upgrades that I noticed. Like, let's say you've got more than 30 minutes of video content, or let's say you don't want to pay, I think what I have is 9% like transaction fees for people who buy your course. Then you're going to want to upgrade to one of the digital product plans. So I'm not going to cover that in this video, but I'll leave a link to it below so you can check out all the details on that. Hopefully you found this useful. Really quick preview and overview of Squarespace's course features. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.